G'day folks, it's Robert from Outback Equipment. Back with our Tinny build series. We're installing a brand new Relaxin Tinny bench cushion seat. For the quick install of this one, pretty straightforward. Drill, a couple drill bits, rivet gun, rivets and your press studs. So join us today with the install of the seat. So guys, we've chosen Relaxin being our Tinny bench cushion. In my opinion, it's very stylish. Being the lighter colour too, it's going to be drawing and taking in less heat. So super comfy to sit on. The foam they've used is of high quality too, it's quite thick. So giving that extra bit of padding is wonderful. Using press studs, super easy, quick to install, removal of course. So guys, this is one we've taken out. As you can see, it hasn't stood the test of time. It's not something that was permanently fixed, being just something you would throw down. So it's not ideal, it's not safe. Not only that, it looks horrendous, so watch us banging the brand new one. So placing the cushion, the bench cushion on your bench seat, we sort of want to get an idea in terms of length either side of where we want to mount it. We've chosen the 300mm wide because of the casting platform. We kind of want to leave the strap and pot rivets up the top there, so it sort of ties in, it looks nice. For this one, we're just going to use either side of our screws and rivets there, just to line up where the seat's going to go. So with having this seat, with the rivets at the back, this actually lines up really nice for the front of the bench seat. So we'll go ahead and install those pop rivets and press studs now. So hot tip guys, with your rivets, make sure they're stainless steel or marine grade. Blind rivets are used probably best in this industry as well, so we'll go ahead and use these. So with the lining with your press stud, we kind of want to then mark where it's going to be, eyeball the top, and we want to go ahead and drill our hole. So guys, once you've drilled out your hole there, your guide hole, with your rivet and your press stud, using your rivet gun, you want to bang that one in. That's your first one done. So guys, once you've done your first one, probably use that as a guide. I'd start at the very other end, making sure that the actual seat's sort of stretched out enough where it's nice and secured. Repeating that first step of obviously drilling a hole, banging in your press stud, and we'll go do the rest of the others. So guys, when we finish the back, you want to jump around to the front and do exactly the same again. So guys, this is a pretty straightforward setup. As you can see, it probably only took us about 5 minutes to install. Looks a hell of a lot nicer, and we're really happy with the finish. So guys, that's the finished product. We're really happy with it. We've got a super comfy seat now for the rest of the crew. You can pick one of these up at outbackequipment.com.au. As always, if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave any comments down below, and we'll catch you in the next video.